I have the Rabbit R1, and in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to disconnect and also how to unpair a Bluetooth device. So what you want to do is make sure the screen is awake and then give your Rabbit a good shake to go to settings, and then scroll on the settings until you highlight Bluetooth and then press the side button to select that, and then scroll down on Bluetooth until you get to the speaker you want to disconnect and unpair. So select it using the side button, and as you can see, the speaker is currently connected. So to disconnect, just press the side button and it's going to disconnect, and then you can press the side button again to connect if you want to, and pressing it again will disconnect. Sorry about that. So now, if you want to unpair, you can just scroll down to the remove option and then select that, and that's going to unpair that particular Bluetooth device. Could be a Bluetooth speaker, could be Bluetooth headphones, or even earphones. And then now you can go back to the home screen by scrolling all the way up, selecting settings, all the way up again, select home, and you're back to the home screen. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.